Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SEMrush SEO and marketing platform, my honest user review. SEMrush SEO and marketing platform is a comprehensive suite of tools designed for digital marketers and SEO professionals. It aims to help users improve their online visibility, analyze competitors, and manage their online marketing campaigns. Key features include keyword research, site auditing, backlink analysis, and social media management tools. Their website provides details on the various plans and features offered. SEMrush emphasizes its all-in-one approach, providing a single platform for various marketing needs. They offer different subscription tiers based on the user's needs and budget. While not explicitly advertised as no contract, they do offer monthly subscriptions, providing flexibility. They position themselves as a leader in the SEO and digital marketing tool space, offering more comprehensive features compared to some free or more basic alternatives. You can visit their website to explore the different plans and features available. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SEMrush. Getting started was relatively straightforward. After signing up, I was guided through a brief onboarding process that highlighted key features and helped me set up my first project. The interface, while packed with data, was surprisingly intuitive. I started by using the domain overview tool to analyze my own website. It quickly provided insights into my website's traffic, backlink profile, and top organic keywords. I then explored the Keyword Magic tool to research new keyword opportunities. The sheer volume of data was impressive, offering various metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and SERP features. The performance was generally good, although some of the more data-intensive reports took a little while to load. I was particularly impressed by the position tracking tool, which allowed me to monitor my website's ranking for target keywords over time. I did have a quick question about setting up a custom report, and their support team responded within a day via email with clear instructions. One minor drawback was that I found the sheer number of features a bit overwhelming initially. It took me a while to get used to navigating the platform and finding the specific tools I needed. Also, while they do have a mobile app, its functionality is somewhat limited compared to the desktop version. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SEMrush. While it has a slight learning curve, the depth of insights and the comprehensive suite of tools make it a valuable asset for anyone serious about improving their online presence. That's my overview of SEMrush SEO and marketing platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.